Hello students. So in this question there is a circular loop given, and because of this circular loop the magnetic field at the center is given to be B naught. So you see this loop can act as a magnetic dipole, and because of this circular loop the magnetic field is towards y cap. And for this system I have to tell magnetic field in terms of B naught. So I can actually calculate due to each wire, and then also I can relate, but that will become little tough. I can use this, that the magnetic field due to this loop is B naught. So here the loops are not perfect, so I will make the loops. For example, this current is coming like this, so I will complete this loop by putting current here, same current, but I have to put opposite current also, so that the effect is cancelled. Okay, so again this loop current is coming like this, and I will put current here this side, but then at the same time I have to put current in the opposite direction. Now you can see that one dipole, magnetic dipole, is created here, this loop. Okay, this is one magnetic dipole in this direction, and this one, so this one is taking care of this side and this side, and this backward this side another loop is there, so both currents are counted. And then you see, so one dipole, magnetic dipole, this one will create magnetic field B naught this side, this is first one, and then so this direction is, if you check this will be, because of this the loop is like this, so magnetic field will be B naught in the z cap direction because of this loop, and because of this loop it will be in the minus x cap direction like this. So this is counted, this is counted, so and then because of this loop it will be in this direction, y direction. So these three magnetic fields will be created, and I have counted all the sides, and I have counted two times. One times current I am counting this side, and another time with this loop I am counting the current. Okay, so I mean every current is also taken care, and because they are in opposite direction their effects are going to cancel. It is just for us to use them for the calculation. Now you can see here the modulus of magnetic field, new magnetic field, will be all of them are perpendicular, so it will be under root of B naught square plus B naught square plus B naught square, which is equal to under root 3 B naught, and this is option A here, under root 3 B naught. So you see, if you go to calculate the magnetic field due to each length, you have to do lot of geometry and calculations. But if you just use that, because of that square loop, magnetic field is given, and try to make squares and use that magnetic field here, it becomes very, very straightforward. Okay, thank you.